Welcome back, my little stars, to another bright episode of Tiny Talk Time. Today, we're going on a super fun adventure. We're going shopping for clothes. That's right. We'll learn easy English sentences you can use when choosing shirts, pants, shoes, and all the fun things you love to wear. And guess who's here with me? Of course, our curious friend, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everyone. I love clothes shopping because I get to pick my favorite colors.
That's perfect, Leo, because today we'll learn how to describe clothes, ask for sizes, and say what we like and don't like. Ready to help me teach the kids listening?
Yes, let's go.
Great! Let's start with something simple. When you go to a clothing store, you can say, I am looking for a shirt. Repeat after me. I am looking for a shirt.
I am looking for a shirt.
Wonderful. Now let's imagine we're inside a colorful store. There are shirts everywhere. Blue shirts, green shirts, striped shirts, shirts with dinosaurs.
I want the dinosaur one.
Of course you do. You can say, I like this shirt.
I like this shirt.
Perfect. Now let's practice asking about sizes. When you don't know what size to choose, you can say, do you have this in my size?
Do you have this in my size?
Excellent! Kids, repeat with us. And if you want to talk about a big size, you can say large. For a small one, you can say small. So you could say, I need a small size, or I need a large size.
Miss Lily, can I say, I need a small shirt?
Yes, you can. That's a perfect, complete sentence.
Miss Lily, what about pants? I always get confused when choosing pants.
Pants are easy. To ask for pants, you say, I am looking for pants. Go ahead.
I am looking for pants.
Perfect. And if you want to talk about color, you say, I want blue pants, or I want black pants. Colors help a lot when shopping.
I want red pants.
Ooh, red pants. Bold choice. Now let's learn how to ask for help in a clothing store. You can say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Beautiful. And kids, notice how polite it sounds when you add please. It makes your English warm and friendly. Now imagine you're trying on a jacket. If it fits well, you can say, it fits me. If it doesn't, you say, it is too big, or it is too small.
Sometimes my jacket is too big, so I look like a balloon.
Oh, Leo, you always make me smile. But that's a great example. Now let's practice the sentence, it is too big.
It is too big.
And now, it is too small.
It is too small.
Excellent! You're doing so well today, Leo. Now let's teach everyone how to talk about shoes. When you want shoes, you say, I am looking for shoes.
I am looking for shoes.
Wonderful! And to talk about size, you can say, I wear size 9, or whatever number you are.
I wear size tiny.
Very tiny indeed, Leo. Now, let's put everything together in a full shopping sentence. I am looking for shoes. Do you have them in my size?
I am looking for shoes. Do you have them in my size?
Perfect. Now let's continue exploring the store. Look around, Leo. What do you see?
I see hats. Lots of hats.
Hats! Great! To talk about hats, you can say, I like this hat, or I want that hat.
I want that hat. The blue one.
Wonderful! Now let's teach how to ask the price. You can say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Perfect. Kids, repeat with us. And when you're ready to buy something, you can say, I will take it.
I will take it.
Perfect sentence. Now let's imagine we're at the checkout counter. The lady says, would you like a bag? You can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you.
I always say yes because I like carrying the bag.
That's adorable. Now, let's teach a review so everyone remembers today's sentences. Repeat with us, kids. I am looking for a shirt. I need a small size. It is too big. How much is this? I will take it.
Miss Lily, can I make a sentence?
Of course.
I am looking for shoes. I want the red ones. How much are they?
That is perfect English, Leo. I'm so proud of you.
Miss Lily, today was so fun. Now I feel like I can really talk when I go shopping.
And that's the magic of learning English with small sentences, Leo. Every word you learn makes you more confident.
Kids listening, you can do it too. Practice with your family.
Yes, practice at home, in real stores, or even pretend play with toys. The more you speak, the faster you learn.
Miss Lily, can we teach more shopping words next time?
Absolutely, Leo. And kids, if you want more lessons like this, here's what you need to do. Miss Lily, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
And give this video a big like.
And tell us in the comments, what clothes do you like to buy?
Shirts? Shoes? Hats? Tell us.
Thank you for listening, my little stars. Keep shining, keep learning, and keep practicing your English every day.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my little stars.